Over the course of this guide, we've taken an in-depth look at the most important features of the D7000. But this video is not intended to cover everything that the camera can do. The D7000 is a state-of-the-art, highly complex photographic tool with hundreds of available options, and it would take a whole book to cover them all. So for a comprehensive guide to every feature and function, I recommend you pick up a copy of the Magic Lantern Guide's Nikon D7000 book. It thoroughly covers every single aspect of operating the D7000. Other resources you'll find helpful are the dozens of other great books covering virtually every aspect of digital photography from Lark photography books. Now, at the end of a workshop like this, people often want to know what the bottom line is. What specific settings do I recommend? Well, that's almost impossible to answer because I'm constantly changing the settings while I shoot. However, here's what I would say are my typical settings for routine outdoor shooting with the D7000. Aperture priority is my preferred shooting mode because I'm comfortable choosing my own exposure settings. My quality settings are usually set for JPEG fine and the large file size. But sometimes I'll set the camera to also record a RAW file at the same time. Single point is my preferred autofocus area mode, so that I can manually choose whichever one of the 39 autofocus points that works best for whatever I'm shooting. My autofocus mode is always set on continuous. I usually use preset manual for the white balance mode. My ISO is usually set at 100 unless conditions are too dark to allow it, and then I raise it just enough to get by. I use matrix metering most of the time, and the release mode is usually set for single frame. But like I said, there's no perfect group of settings for all situations, and you might find that you disagree with some of my recommendations. But that's what makes the D7000 so great. You can customize your camera to work the way you like to shoot. You'll find that your understanding of the camera and the confidence you have in changing the settings will grow the more you use it. So now it's time to turn off the TV and get out and start taking great photos. And thank you for watching.